In this video, we are going to review the Pixel Experience Rom based on Android 13 for OnePlus 70 device, as well as at the end of the video, I will also show you how you can install this ROM on your OnePlus 70 device easily. And it's a little tricky part. There is some things which you need to do before installing this ROM, and at the end, it's completely your choice to do that. And before installing this ROM, make sure you have unlocked your bootloader. If not, there will be a link on top right corner of this video. Go there, unlock the bootloader and continue along with this video. So without wasting further time, let's head straight to the video. So my name is Rohit and you're watching Snebtech. So let's get started. So first, when you install this ROM, you may see that the entire experience is very stock based and very simple and smooth. And there are not even many apps installed on this ROM once you install this ROM. So that means you get a lot of storage free on your device, which helps you to store more data without worrying about the space. As well as you also see this minimal and clean look overall the entire interface. And this time you also see a lot of wallpaper options pre-installed on the ROM itself. So there are a lot of funky and different wallpaper you can choose from. So please let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. And you also see a lot of customization options, such as you can just set your theme colors according to your wallpapers, or you can make your own and you can just mix and match to create your perfectly curated ROM and colors. Apart from that, you also see a lot of options in the settings as well as you can also set the display refresh rate, which will help you to save your battery if you want to make it last longer. Just reduce your refresh rate and you will be all good to go for the day. Along with that, we also see a lot of security options, such as you also see pin code as well as fingerprint scanner as well as face unlock feature, which are really working well. And if you will be registering for face unlock, it takes literally a second to register, but it takes a little more time to unlock with face unlock, rather than when you are on a stock ROM. It is much faster than what we see in this ROM. Apart from that, the fingerprint works really well and flawless across the ROM, and you also don't see any kind of jitterness or something like that while you are using this ROM. And there is also an option to customize the icons of your application forcefully to match the theme colors, which will also work on many stock apps and all the other apps which are really famous. But for some applications which are not that famous or that known, this doesn't work on them. But if you really want to give that light touch of your entire theme to your icons as well, you can go along with that. I even ran the Geek Benchmark scores and it also went really well, which actually outperformed the stock OnePlus 70 device as well. So in my opinion, this device of course works in a better way than your regular stock ROM because of all the minimal applications which we get after installing the ROM, and we don't have to be worried about the pre-installed apps which we can't remove and save our data for. Along with that, the entire experience is very smooth and I didn't face any kind of jitterness or any kind of problem while using this ROM for almost a month now. And even the battery backup is flawless. You can see an improvement from the stock ROM, which of course is the case with Pixel Experience ROM all the time. So next, let's move to the gaming test. So I've installed BGMI on this device and let's see how it performs.
Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
So even the gaming performance on this ROM is really buttery smooth, and you can run on very high graphics in ultra setting and it will run really smooth. You don't have to worry about it. Yeah, it of course heats a little bit, but the same is the case with the stock OnePlus 70 ROM. So if you can bear with it, you are good to go. And if you are in a cool place and if you are playing game for a longer period of time, it's really good to have this ROM on your device. And it also has this gaming mode which enhances the performance of your gaming on this device when you install this ROM specifically, which also shows you some metrics such as FPS and other stuff. You can just go around and test it out if it works for you. So next, let's talk about one more important thing, which is camera. So just like any other custom ROM which I have literally reviewed over past times, the camera don't have many options. Yeah, the quality is good just because the camera installed in OnePlus 70 is really good, but of course you don't get any options apart from photo and normal videos which you can use in portrait and front camera and back camera. That's it. You don't get many options. So for that as well, there will be a video on top right corner. You can go and install Google Cam, Gcam, basically to get all the functionality and performance of your stock OnePlus experience. if you want to try this ROM. So let's come to the conclusion whether you should install this ROM or not. So if you are new to installing the ROM and everything, so this might be your best option to go with, because it doesn't have a lot of customization which will cause you to get into trouble in some settings if you made. So of course I will suggest you to install this and get an experience of course Pixel Experience Plus Rom on your device. And even if you are an experienced flasher and have been doing this flashing ROM and stuff for a longer period of time, I'll absolutely tell you to give it a try. It's worth trying out. So now let's move to the installation part. So to install the Pixel Experience ROM on your OnePlus 70 device, first go to the link in description below and you will be on this website to get pixelexperiencerom.org/hotdogb, which is your code name for OnePlus 70 device. Then it's your decision to decide whether you want to install the Pixel Experience 13 ROM or Pixel Experience 13 Plus. So I'll go for Pixel Experience 13. After that, just click on the latest date as it's the latest version of the software, and then click on this download build option. It will start the download for the ROM, and after that you just need to go back and then again click on the same version which you clicked before, but this time instead of downloading the build, just download the recovery image. So it may give you a security warning. Just click on this file name and click on download unverified file as it's completely safe. So once both of your file gets downloaded, now we'll proceed to the installation part. So first you will need to put your device in fastboot mode to install the recovery, and after that we can sideload the ROM. So I'll switch back to my OnePlus 70 now and show you how it's done. So once you're on your OnePlus 70 device, just turn off it. And once it's done, just keep on holding volume up, hold on power key all at once to boot into fastboot mode. So once it's booted into fastboot mode, you can see that here it's like written unlocked. That means my bootloader has been unlocked. So if you haven't unlocked it now, there'll be a link on top right corner of this video. Just go there, unlock your bootloader, and then you can continue along. After this, you need to connect your device to your PC. I'll do that right now. And once it's done, just keep it at a stable place during the whole installation process. So after connecting your device in fastboot mode to your PC, just click on this top search icon and type in CMD. And after that, just type in this command called fastboot devices. So if you can see a string of number along with fastboot written beside it, that means your PC has detected your device in fastboot mode. And if not, there will be a link in description below. Go there. Then after that, your PC will definitely detect your device in fastboot mode. And then you have to type in this command fastboot space flash space recovery. Then you have to copy the name of this recovery file that we downloaded. So you can just right click and click on rename. Just copy this name. After that, open your CMD window and paste this file name after putting a space, and at the end type in .img. And once you see this OK finish, that means the recovery has been installed on your device. Now we'll need to boot our device into recovery mode. So I will shift to my device again. So to boot your device in recovery mode after fastboot mode, just use the volume down key to reach this recovery mode option and then press power key to boot into recovery. So once you have booted into your recovery mode, you can see right now I'm currently in Pixel Experience recovery. Use the volume key to reach to this factory reset option. Press power key again, use the volume key to reach to format data, and then again press the power key to format all the data on your device. After that, you will need to go back, and after going back, just go to this apply update option using the volume down key and press power key, and then again press the power key from apply to from ADB. And now you will need to switch back to your CMD window on your computer to flash the ROM. So on your computer device, just type in ADB devices. And as you can see, our device has been detected in ADB mode to our PC. Just type in ADB sideload space, then copy the name of this Pixel Experience file, and then go back to your CMD window and paste the name over here. along with .zip at the end because it's a zip file, and let it complete the installation process. So once the installation is done, you will be on this screen. To install additional packages, you need to reboot recovery first. Do you want to reboot to recovery now? So just use the volume down key and press the power key to boot into recovery again. So once everything is done, you can just reboot to the system now, and your ROM has been installed. So when you boot for the first time, it will take a little while to boot into the system. So you'll just need to sit back and relax. So as you can see the Google Pixel Experience boot logo on our screen. At this point, you can also disconnect your device from your PC. It won't matter. So as you can see, we have successfully booted into our system. So that means Pixel Experience Rom has been installed on your OnePlus 70 device. So this was my review video for Pixel Experience Plus Rom on your OnePlus 70 device, and I hope you went through the installation and everything went correct. And if you face any difficulty while installing this ROM, please comment down below. I will try to resolve as many as I can. And if you really enjoyed this content, please make sure to like and comment down if you have some request or you face any difficulty while installing this ROM. And if you are new to my channel and really enjoy the tech content and specifically based on ROM, so please make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. So that's it for this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Snebtech signing out.
Get up to ho ja, hustle tu kar aalas pe mitti pa. सोमत जाग जरा, हो रहा है सवेरा. सोमत जाग जरा, हो रहा है सवेरा.